We have borne witness to a year defined by tremendous change, whether that was leaving the one place that we call home in the middle of the semester, fighting against all kinds of systemic injustice in our country, and all the while trying to be students at one of the most challenging institutions on the face of the planet during a global pandemic. And through it all, we have made it. You have made it. You have organized for every cause that you believe in, never stepping back from the long and arduous road ahead to make our world a better and more just place for all people to live in. You have invested in your friends and the people from this institute whom you love the most to make sure that these vibrant, dynamic communities that tether us to MIT remained whole and supportive when we needed them the most, even if we needed to do all of that bonding remotely over Zoom.
Most importantly, in typical MIT fashion, you used this profound disruption in your time at MIT to change this university for the better. Just look at all of the incredible things that we have fought for as a community in the past year. We are so honored to be in the same class as you and to share these special 4 years at MIT with all of you. And this ring is our way of paying homage to all of the aspects of our time at MIT that continue to give us hope. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed this year's Class of 2023 Ring Premiere.